What's up, guys? Got the Kraton 4S out. Can't get enough of this car. This thing is a monster. This thing is a beast. I say that a lot, don't I? Hey. Yeah, I swear this jump nice. Real nice. About all the wind. Whoa, I could not be up close. That would have been nice if it would have landed on his feet. Yo, this wind, man. Nice. Oh. Yo, this turned into one of my favorite RCs already. Okay, let's get out of there. They got not want to have to go down there. I want a nice little sin. Yo, this thing is a beast, man. Yo! My next video on this car gonna definitely be a review. Cause this car, wow, it impressed me. This car really impressed me. Now, the 8S Kraton, wow. The 8S Kraton, I don't know, man. That thing stayed breaking. I blew some gears. I blew the center differentials. So I don't know, but this, I don't know. I ran it about 5-6 times already. A little bit of time I had it, and I don't take it easy. So I don't know. This thing is good. Definitely gonna do a review on this. Out of range with it. Some of the stuff that I don't catch on camera be really good footage. Like that. And I'm late. Try to keep it on this little angle right here. Nice jump. I think I could pull off a backflip if I got the right angle. That gotta be broke. Don't see no damage so far. That was a nasty crash. I guess it's all right. Yeah, this is definitely gonna get a positive. Who knows how the review gonna go? Let's just say that. Y'all know how that review gonna go. This thing is a monster. A 4S car. Yeah, this thing is getting a durability test, stable test, and it's passing with flying colors. Definitely with flying colors. This thing is a monster. Jeez. Oh, the batteries died on me. I guess I ain't gonna do another run. I left my extra battery home, but this thing is a monster. Besides, I'm gonna keep running it till I broke it. But this thing held up. Everything is pretty good. No damage, except for the top of the body right here. So I got something for that. Yeah, this thing is a beast, man. But as always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. This is Phillyswords RC, and I'm out.